In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on HDR on Windows 11. High Dynamic Range, or HDR, can make everything on your screen pop with brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and more vivid colors. It's especially noticeable in games, movies, and modern apps that support it, giving you a more realistic and immersive picture. Let's walk through the simplest way to turn it on, and then I'll show you a quick shortcut you can use anytime. First, we'll use the main settings method. Press the Windows key and the letter I together to open the Settings app. In the left panel, select System, then choose Display. If you use more than one monitor, take a moment to click the display that actually supports HDR. Not every screen does, so make sure you're selecting the one that's capable. Once you've got the right display highlighted, look for the option labeled Use HDR. You'll see a switch next to it. Go ahead and turn that switch on. Your screen may flicker briefly or adjust as Windows enables HDR, which is normal. And that's it. HDR is now enabled. From here, supported content should immediately take advantage of the wider brightness range and richer colors. Now, if you want a faster way to toggle HDR without digging into settings, there's a built-in shortcut. Press Windows, Alt, and B together. This instantly toggles HDR on or off, so it's perfect when you want to switch modes before launching a game or watching a movie. You may notice a quick on-screen indication or a slight shift in brightness as Windows switches modes, which confirms the change. A few quick tips to help you get the best results. If you don't see the Use HDR option, or it's grayed out, your display might not support HDR, or it might be connected in a way that limits HDR features. Check that you're using the HDR-capable input on your monitor or TV, and that your device advertises HDR support in its specs. Also, remember that HDR looks its best with HDR content, so games, streaming apps, or videos labeled HDR will show the biggest difference. In regular desktop use, the change can be more subtle, and that's normal. To recap, open Settings with Windows key plus I, go to System, then Display, pick your HDR-ready screen if you have more than one, and flip on Use HDR. Or use the quick toggle with Windows plus Alt plus B whenever you want. Enjoy those brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and more vivid colors across your favorite games, movies, and apps.